First, let me explain the reasons for recording this video. My stingy boss, in order to avoid hiring a network engineer, has assigned me the task of purchasing routers. I am a programmer who knows little about network equipment, and I'm not even getting a raise for this. Well, I'll reluctantly try to figure out how to make the purchase. The table you are currently seeing is my final result. Okay, let's move on to the formal search process. What kind of 1U3U router should we buy for a company with 1,000 employees? After consulting with my friends, I learned that we can determine the required bandwidth to help make a decision. Let's assume that each employee has one mobile phone, one computer, and one pad. Each device requires a downstream bandwidth of around 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps, so each person needs approximately 150 Mbps to 300 Mbps. For 1,000 people, that would be 150 Gbps to 300 Gbps. Therefore, the router's maximum bandwidth should exceed 300 Gbps. Taking into account the complexity of real-world applications, doubling the bandwidth should be sufficient, so around 600 Gbps. Next, let's start looking for routers. I asked ChatGPT which companies in the world are known for manufacturing enterprise-grade routers. Alright, starting with the first company, Cisco, I found 3 series that meet our requirements. ASR 9000N CS540 and CS5500. For Juniper Networks, I found 2 series that meet our requirements, the MX series and the PTX Yuan series. For Huawei Networks, I found 2 series that meet our requirements, the NE20E series and the NE8000 series. H3C routers are generally larger in size and may not meet our requirements. Then, I used Google to search for the official prices of these devices. One website called itprice provided a lot of useful data. I used the same method to search for the official prices of all the models that meet our requirements. After checking the official prices, I suddenly remembered that these devices might be available as used or refurbished options, which could potentially offer lower prices. So, I went to eBay to search for them, and indeed, the prices were much lower. Since these are used devices, the key factors are the reliability of the sellers and whether the goods come with any warranty or guarantee. I carefully examined the seller's current listings and feedback from previous buyers, as well as the official website of the company and its key members. Since Huawei devices were not available on eBay, I conducted another search on Chinese second-hand apps. This completes the entire process of creating the table. Now, I can accurately inform my boss about which device is the most suitable for purchase. By the way, if you are not familiar with configuring or troubleshooting the purchased devices, you can seek assistance from the company itself as they are skilled in providing services for all types of network equipment.